Good medical morning. This is Watson, and in a moment, I'll turn it over to Kelly so she can reveal the results from your hottest doctor competition. And if you haven't seen that video yet, go back and check it out next. Kelly?
Hey, so last week we saw Dr. Gabrielle, Dr. Mike, Dr. James, and Dr. Winston compete for your vote. The results are in, and they were controversial. At first, we thought Dr. Mike was going for a landslide victory. With his good abs and millions of followers, he was the odds-on favorite in Vegas. Did they really bet on this in Vegas?
No.
Then the lesser-known Dr. James started coming from behind and thrust his way into the competition. Probably should have worded that differently, but I'm not sorry. Regardless, by the end of the week, we had an exact tie. 714 fans voted for Dr. Mike, and 714 fans voted for Dr. James. So the competition continues. Leave your comment below so we can pick the world's hottest doc.
So to recap, here are 3 of Dr. James' most popular posts. And here are 3 of Dr. Mike's most popular posts. Make sure to vote in the comments below and check out Dr. Mike's Facebook fan page. I'll put a link below. The content is excellent and educational. So Kelly, who do you think is the hottest?
I'm gonna have to go with Dr. Gabrielle. I know it's apparently not a popular opinion, but I can't handle the hair. I love the hair.
Nice.
Dare I ask, Watson, who your favorite is?
Alright, well instead of hottest, we'll go with favorite. And I'm gonna have to go with Dr. Mike. I like his positive energy and enthusiasm, and the fact that he promotes exercise as a preventative health measure. Maybe I should join the fan page. So there you go, join us next week, and also, please check out my favorite sleep supplement. It's called Rest More. I take it every night before bed for the best sleep. Let's check out a testimonial.
All right, Jesse, what do you think of Rest More?
Rest More, I was a little kind of skeptic in the beginning, but I've been taking it for about a month now. Definitely fall asleep really easy, but the cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy in the mornings. I'm able to work out, run like I normally do, but I stay sound asleep for a good 8 hours every night.
Awesome, thank you.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.